Some basic concepts of chemistry. Chapter 1, 11 Science, Part 9. Let us understand the first type of numerical based on mole fraction. A solution is 25% water, 25% ethanol and 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate mole fraction of each of the component. So here we are given by mass. Let's put down given first. 25% of water is, that means total mass of the solution is 100 gram, and in that we are having mass of water is equal to 25 gram. We can also find out molar mass of water. 2 hydrogens, so 2 into 1 plus 16 gives you 18 grams. Similarly, 25% ethanol. So, mass of ethanol, that is C2H5OH, is equal to 25 grams. Molar mass of ethanol is equal to 2 carbons. So, 12 into 2, 24 plus 6 plus 16. So, total gives you 46 gram molar mass of ethanol. Similarly, we are having acetic acid. So, mass of acetic acid, CH3COOH is the formula for acetic acid, is equal to 50 gram. Now, the molar mass of acetic acid, we can calculate 2 carbons, so 12 2s are 24 plus 4 hydrogen, so total 4. 24 plus 4 plus 32. 2 oxygens are there. So when you add, it is 28 and 2 30, and 30 plus 30 60 gram. Now for mole fraction, we require number of moles. How to calculate number of moles? Given mass upon molar mass. So let us calculate the number of moles. N of water is equal to 25 gram given mass upon molar mass is 18 gram. When you solve 25 upon 18, you get 1.39. Then similarly, number of moles of ethanol, C2H5OH is equal to, what is the given mass of ethanol? 25 upon 46. When you calculate, try calculating it till 2 places of decimal, 0.54. And number of moles of acetic acid, CH3COOH is equal to, how many? 50 is the 50 divided by 60. When you are going to calculate it, you get 0.83. So we are concerned with these number of moles. Moles are there as the unit. Now let us calculate the mole fraction of each of the following. First of all, mole fraction of first component, that is water. So, mole fraction of water is equal to number of moles of water upon total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. That means number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of acetic acid. So, now put the values. Number of moles of water is 1.39 divided by 1.39 plus 0.54 plus 0.83 is equal to, you can calculate all these values together. When you calculate all these values together, you get 2.76. 2.76. 2.76 and 1.39 divided by 2.76. So when you calculate this, you get the value as 0.50 and this is the mole fraction of water. Similarly, we can calculate the mole fraction of ethanol. Mole fraction of ethanol is equal to number of moles of ethanol upon total number of moles. That is number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of acetic acid. So when you calculate this, you get number of moles of ethanol is 0.54 and this total number of moles is 2.76. Mole will get cancelled. That is why mole fraction has no units. So when you calculate it, you get 0.196. Now similarly, mole fraction of acetic acid. Now there are two ways of calculating it. One way is by using the formula directly, number of moles of acetic acid upon total number of moles, water plus ethanol plus acetic acid. This way directly you can calculate. Put the number of moles of this 0.83 upon 2.76. And when you solve this, you get 0.30. There is one more way of calculating the number of moles of acetic acid because I have already calculated these two. Right? The sum of mole fractions of all the components present in the solution is always unity. You have calculated for two components. So third component, that means mole fraction of water plus mole fraction of ethanol plus mole fraction of acetic acid should be equal to 1, unity. You know this, you want to find out for this, so you can easily find. Therefore, mole fraction of acetic acid is equal to 1 minus, what is the mole fraction of water? 0.50 plus, what is the mole fraction of ethanol? 0.196 and you will get the answer. So any method you can choose for calculating this. So I hope this mole fraction numerical is clear to everybody. Now the next type of numerical is based on mass percentage. See the question. Calculate the mass percentage of solute if a solution is prepared by dissolving 5 gram of X to 15 gram of Y. Put down the given first. Mass of solute X is equal to 5 gram. Mass of solvent Y is equal to 15 gram. So from mass of solute and solvent, we can find out mass of solution. It is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That means mass of solution is 5 plus 15 is equal to 20 gram. Now put down the percentage, mass percentage formula. You have to find out mass percentage of X. We have to find out for solute. So X is equal to mass of solute upon, because mass percentage of any given component can be calculated. Here we are asked about solute, so we are taking mass percentage of X is our solute, is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, because we have to calculate percentage. Now put the values. Mass of solute is 5 upon mass of solution is 20 into 100. So 5s are 10. 25% is the mass of solute present in the solution. Similarly, if you are asked to calculate the mass percentage of solvent, Y, right? Then we will write mass percentage of Y is equal to mass of solvent upon mass of solution into 100, and we can calculate the mass percentage of solvent also.